Here's something that's rather odd that I picked up at the flea market yesterday. This is a 1966 Motorola solid state AM/FM stereophonic radio in a wooden cabinet. Now, I'm sure for 1966 a table radio that was capable of reproducing FM stereo was something else. Now, this thing is dead as a doornail, and the cabinet has some issues. The main one is this broken speaker grill slat down here, but that's made out of wood, so with a little effort that could probably be patched up. I suspect what's wrong with this radio is most likely the series dropping resistor that comes in off the AC line is probably open due to a shorted rectifier diode. But we'll find that out later when I have time to open it. Now let me show you the back of this thing. Here's the back of the radio, and as you can tell, a chunk's missing out of the back cover. And for some reason, somebody ripped out the FM antenna terminal screw, so I'm going to have to replace that with a terminal strip. Now let me pull the back cover and I will show you something even more interesting. Okay, here's the inside of the Motorola stereo table radio, and surprisingly the majority of this chassis is a hand-wired metal point-to-point chassis. Even though it's solid state, they chose to build this on a hand-wired chassis, which is rather odd. That looks more like something Zenith would do. The only printed circuit board I see in this receiver is what appears to be the multiplex decoder board for the FM that you see standing up there. But the rest of this chassis is on a metal hand-wired point-to-point chassis, similar to what you would see in a tube set. So now we just sit this one on the shelf and I'll get to it eventually. I'm sure it'll be a good radio when it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and more to come later.